I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Trust Wallet US step by step. Open Trust Wallet, fund it, and follow the buy flow to purchase USD. Start by securing your recovery phrase and enabling app security like biometrics. Add a payment method or transfer crypto from another wallet. Choose the USD token, confirm network fees, and complete the swap or on-ramp to see USD in your balance. In this video, I will explain how to buy Trust Wallet US step by step. After installing Trust Wallet, create your wallet and carefully back up the recovery phrase offline. Set a secure PIN and enable biometric unlock to protect access. Verify the network for USD, such as Ethereum or BNB Smart Chain, to avoid sending funds to the wrong chain. Add USD to your token list so it appears in your wallet balance after purchase. In this video, I will explain how to buy Trust Wallet US step by step. Quick recommendation: if you are watching long tutorials, try those comfy socks you see in the shots. Life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty, and they make editing and learning much cozier. If you want the link and deals, check the description below, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to buy Trust Wallet US step by step. Use the in-app buy option to add a card, or use a supported on-ramp, or transfer crypto from an exchange to your wallet address. Carefully select the network and paste the correct wallet address to prevent irreversible mistakes. Review gas fees and slippage settings, confirm the transaction, and wait for network confirmations before using or swapping your USD.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.